Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video we have understand how we can create store and slices for React or Redux Toolkit. Now in this video we are going to learn how we can link this Redux Toolkit slices and store with the React Native application. So React Native application is start from this index or app component, and here in this app component we have to link this Redux Toolkit. So how we can link this? For that we have to import the store. Remember that store I need to import from component YouTube folder like this. Store I need to import, and this store I have to pass here in this application. So I need provider also from React Redux library. So I say import, I say provider from the React Redux library. Remember that React Redux library we need provider also. So now in app component all the components must be under this provider, and we have a property store, and here we pass the store that we have created, and this provider we should use at the last of this. Means each and every component in this should be under this provider. Remember that this provider is from the React Redux. Means this is the React Redux library, and this React Redux library is responsible to link your Redux Toolkit with the React Native application. So we have created the store by using Redux Toolkit, and this store we are passing to this app application. So with the help of this provider component which we have from the React Redux library, we import here also the store that we have created in the last video. That store we are providing to this app component. Now with the help of this single line of statement, now I am able to connect my Redux Toolkit library with my React Native library. So in next video we will see how we can remove this error and how we can use these counters here, 4 counters, how we can use these counters, how we can display these component, how we can change some property according to the Redux Toolkit. That we are going to learn in the next video. So in this video we use how to link Redux Toolkit with React Native application with the help of provider component. So I think you understand now all concept of Redux Toolkit, creating slice, store and linking with the React Native library. In next video we will see how we can use this storage that we have created, global storage. That global state or global storage we are going to use in my next videos with the help of use dispatcher and use selector hooks. If you understand, please like it, do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.